Hi beauties, it's Jean with Beauty and the Stamper, and I wanted to show you a quick and easy way to make a gift card at the last minute. And all you have is a white piece of paper. Just cut this off in a little tag fashion. And I just turn it this way so I have each edge. And then it comes off pretty similar there. So you've got this. And then let's say you have your wrapping paper and you want your wrapping paper to match up with your tag there. So I'm just going to take a piece of that wrapping paper and I'm going to cut it where I want. So I wrapped a present like this. And then I'm going to get out some of my glue here. And just glue that down. I'm going to make sure I get some glue on the edges here, because I do want those edges to be good with the glue. And I'm just going to put that down right on there. I'm going to flip that over. I'm just going to let that stay for just a minute there. So now we're going to have this beautiful little tag that's going to match perfectly to our wrapping paper. So then you're just going to take out your scissors, cut that down. And then you can write anything you want on the front or the back here. And then you have a nice little Christmas tag that matches your wrapping paper. I had some other wrapping paper that I'm using this year, and this is great wrapping paper. It's two-sided. This was sent to me. They said I could use it and make a video if I wanted to, but I just opened it to wrap my gifts, and I'm really glad that I did. So love these. And so what I did is I cut out like one of the soldiers there, and one of the deer, and one of the Christmas trees. And I actually have some wooden tags. So I thought I could do something like that with the paper if you didn't have the wooden tags. But if you have the wooden tags, then we could do something very similar. So I am just undoing my glue. And I've got my tags out. I got my little Christmas tree here, so we can put our Christmas tree. And I do have my precision glue out, because I do want this to be on there pretty good. We're going to put that right down there. I'm going to just put that down with a little sponge, so any glue that comes off, you just sponge it up. And you can put this on with Mod Podge if you wanted to. But now we have a great little gift tag there. And then let's say, I'll do another one here with our little soldier. I wish I had a longer one, but that's what's great about the paper. We'll go ahead and cut him right here. And we'll put this on here. kind of in the center there. And then we'll have another, that little reindeer. Now, the reindeer's not going to fit straight, but I am going to still use the whole thing, and he's going to be going up like this. So, but I wanted to show you what you could do. Now, again, these are just the wooden ones. They're gift tags, but we're going to make them so that they could stick around year after year, not only matching our gift paper, but also an ornament for each year. So we've got our little guide there. And now, let me just put this glue away. We're going to get out our little pen here. And I have this pen in gold. We're going to test it out. Well, I'll show you my idea first in pen. With this pen. So this one, I know that I did this wrapping paper for my son. So I'm going to just put his name on there. I know, I have to be very careful, so I'm quiet. So there we go. I could darken this up now that I know I've got my placement pretty well set. I'm gonna put that there. And then you can put either some little gems here, or I don't know what these are, little, like, not little snowflakes per se, but. And then you'll end up making a cute little ornament that not only can go on the tree afterwards, but tells everybody. I'm just looking for some. I'm looking for some little guys that'll go on here. Here we go. So you have your tags, and now you have an ornament for them to keep. And then you can just put on any ribbon that you want there. I'm gonna put gold on this one. My poker. There we go. Just pull that guy through there. Easier said than done. And then I will tie a little knot at the top. And now it's an ornament for later, as well as a great wrap to to the matching to the wrapping paper. So that would sit on that gift just like that. And you can write anything you want on the back as well. So I'm going to finish these up, and I will show you some pictures at the end. I hope you like them. If you do, please give me a big thumbs up. Thank you for supporting my channel, and I hope you guys have a great Christmas. Bye!